Yes, come in. Have a seat. Okay, what's your name?
Sir, my name is Sridhar Shukla.
Sridhar Shukla, and what's your name?
Sir, my name is Satyam Singh.
Satyam Singh. So names are Sridhar Shukla and Satyam Singh.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sridhar Shukla, your code is 53A, and Satyam, your code is 53B. Okay. Sridhar Shukla, please tell me something about yourself.
Sir, my name is Sridhar Shukla. My father name is Mr. Buddha Shukla, and my mother name is Mrs. Gita Shukla. I live in Arka Mahavipur, Kaushambi. My hobbies are reading books and solving problems.
What's your ambition?
So my ambition is become a professor
Which subject?
on English books.
Okay, English subject.
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Now Satyam, please tell me something about yourself.
Sir, my name is Satyam Singh and my father's name is Mr. Jaikesh Kumar Singh and my mother's name is Mrs. Navati Devi. And my ambition to become a fighter pilot and my hobby is to be playing volleyball and reading books.
Okay. So now we are going to our next task, that is the topic presentation. So at first, Sridhar Shukla, you are going to tell us about your topic,
Yes, sir.
and after that, are you ready for
Yes, sir.
asking questions?
Yes, sir.
So when you will finish your topic, Satyam will ask some questions, and also I will ask some more questions. So are you ready for that?
Yes, sir.
So let's begin your topic.
My topic is girl child education. Girl child education is refers to going girl into school and is also necessary to safe environment for her and
Yes.
make him the advantage for achieving knowledge and skills for and learn the life skills which is necessary to navigate and adopt the changing world and make their own decision.
Yes.
Girl education is a strategic development priority.
Yes. Teach your daughter and teach your society.
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Now Satyam, you ask the questions.
So, Sridhar, I would ask you a question. And that is question is what is barrier in girls' education?
The barrier is girl education is poverty, child marriage, and unsafe environment.
Okay. Can you tell me any scheme that is run by central government
Yes,
for
sir.
girl child education?
Yes, the government run the scheme Beti Bachao Beti Padhao Abhiyan.
Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now Satyam, this is your turn. You are going to tell us about your topic. When Satyam Singh will finish his topic,
Yes, sir.
Sridhar, you will ask some questions, and also I will ask some more questions. So are you ready for that?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
First of all, I would say thanks for giving me this golden opportunity to present here. And my topic is to Digital India. And the Digital India was decided to launch by our Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi ji on 1st July 2015. It was
Yes.
initiated for easily accessible government services. Digital India mission focuses mainly on developing India as a digital country for offering internet connectivity rapidly and stronger as it provided by the World Wide Web to the rural areas where the network had also been a problem for a long time. And the Digital India mission also wants to enlighten all types of people in India
Okay.
digitally.
Please stop now. Sridhar Shukla, would you like to ask questions?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What is Digital India?
Digital India is a pre-planned aimed and is to provide broadband services through World Wide Web to the rural areas and smart city.
Yes, so which companies operate these program?
And BBNL, which means Bharat Broadband Network Limited.
Okay. Now we are going to our next task, that is problem solving task. In this round I am going to provide you, and now I am going to give you a task. You have to read the information about the problem and find out solution.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. There are some small houses near your school. Every morning, see the people living there walk
long distance to fetch
water.
You would like to help them in some ways. Discuss with your partner how you would like to go about this and good approach to resolve the issue. So Satyam, what do you want to say about this problem?
I want to say that I would love them, and I would also go to municipal authority and to provide facility and safe drinking water. And I would also request to the municipal authority to dig a borewell in the village so that the villagers can get water easily. And I would also suggest to the villagers safe water, because a drop of water can save a life, and water also
So,
give.
are you agree with the suggestion of Satyam Singh?
Yes sir, I will do this.
And which kind of suggestion you want to give?
I want to give the suggestion that the villagers to save water
They
because
should be aware.
they should be aware that water is a
They should
precious.
know about the importance of water.
Yes, sir.
This is precious.
This
Water is
precious
life.
and Water is life.
Yes, sir.
Nobody can live without water.
Yes, sir.
So we should save water for our
Future generation.
generation.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Will you think that your suggestion will be effective for those person or villagers?
Sure sir.
Sure, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Any other kind of information?
Yes, sir.
Any other kind of suggestion?
I would also approach a suggestion to the villagers that water cannot be found everywhere, but drinking water is
Yeah.
can be get at a particular place, not everywhere.
Okay.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you very much. You have done your task very well. Now you may go now.
Thank you, sir.
Have a nice day.